Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get Avalanche using the Trust Wallet app. But first of all, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can earn money online. So let's jump into it. First open your Trust Wallet, then go to the wallet section, and at the wallet section on the top of the screen, as you can see, there are 4 buttons: send, receive, buy and trade. Now if you want to get Avalanche, you can either buy it or receive it from a different person or a different wallet. Now choose the one that you want and then type in the name, then tap on Avalanche, and you will receive immediately your Avalanche QR code. And by scanning this QR code, you can receive Avalanche, or you can even scan it for yourself. If you have Avalanche in a different wallet, you can transfer it with this QR code to your Trust Wallet. And you can also copy your address by tapping on the copy button and by sending it to others, and they can use it to send you Avalanche. Now the second option is the set amount option, which is a very cool feature that I like. You can type in a set amount of Avalanche and it's going to change your QR code, and you will receive a new QR code, a new address, and with this QR code you can receive only this exact amount of Avalanche, which is a very good way for payments or transactions when you need to receive a specific amount. And obviously the third option is the share. You can share your QR code on social media and other platforms. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye.